Welcome to the 2011 Prestige box break. As you can see, I have a Prestige box, still sealed. It is 12:53 Saturday. There's the November 12th. So let's get to it. Checklist. There's our packs. First pack, Santonio Holmes, Jets. Josh Freeman, Buccaneers. Kevin Boss, Giants. Decoy. Andre Johnson, Texans. Phil Taylor, Browns. Ed Reed, Ravens. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Mike Goodson, Panthers. Mike Williams, Seahawks. Anthony Fasano, Dolphins. Jeremy Maclin, Eagles. Delone Carter, Colts. Alden Smith, 49ers. DeMarcus Ware, Cowboys. Michael Turner, Falcons. Matthew Stafford, Lions. Santana Moss, Redskins. Brett Selleck, Eagles. Ryan Terrain, Redskins. Decoy. LaDainian Tomlinson, Jets. Noel Devine, rookie free agent. Steve Johnson, Bills. Matt Schaub, Texans. Matt Forte, Bears. Jacoby Ford, Raiders. Kenny Britt, Titans. Mark Sanchez, Jets. Jabal Shard, Cleveland Browns. Cam Newton, Panthers. Dexter McCluster, Chiefs. Jason Witten, Cowboys. Anquan Bolden, Ravens. Cadillac Williams, Buccaneers. Hakeem Nicks, Giants. Matt Hasselbeck, Seahawks. Decoy. Patrick Peterson, Cardinals. Luke Stalker, Buccaneers. Ndamukong Suh, Lions. Maurice Jones-Drew, Jaguars. Peyton Hillis, Browns. Tony Moyaki, Percy Harvin. Percy Harvin, Vikings. Mendenhall, Steelers. Torrey Smith, Ravens. Oops. Colin Kaepernick, 49ers. Matt Ryan, Falcons. Jahavid Best, Lions. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Bills. Chris Cooley, Redskins. Darius Hayward-Bay, Raiders. Mike Williams, Buccaneers. First hit Shane Vereen, auto patch, Patriots. It's a really nice card. Let's see if it's numbered. Nope, not numbered. Chris Johnson, Titans. Drake Nevis, Colts. Brandon Lloyd, Broncos. Ray Lewis, Ravens. Donald Driver, Packers. So far we just have one hit so far. Braylon Edwards, Jets. Donnie Avery, Rams. Chad Henne, Dolphins. Decoy. Mike Tolbert, Chargers. Rob Hausler, Cardinals. Jonathan Stewart, Panthers. Joseph Adai, Colts. Terrell Owens, Bengals. Ben Roethlisberger, Steelers. Vicente Shenko, Vikings. Antonio Gates, Chargers. Decoy. Rashard Mendenhall, Steelers. Andy Dalton, Bengals. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Noshawn Moreno, Broncos. Todd Heap, Ravens. Deion Branch, Patriots. Ryan Matthews, Chargers. Marcus Colston, Saints. Ryan Grant, jersey, Green Bay. It's a nice jersey card. Gold, too. Numbered to 50. So that's nice. Joe Flacco, Ravens. Patrick Peterson, Cardinals. Kevin Walter, Texans. Julius Peppers, Bears. Brandon Flowers, Chiefs. Alex Smith, 49ers. Ahmad Bradshaw, Giants. Justin Forsett, Seahawks. Decoy. Dual card, Reggie Wayne and Greg Jennings. Titus Young, Lions. Felix Jones, Cowboys. Tony Gonzalez, Falcons. Earl Bennett, Bears. Eli Manning, Giants. Marshawn Lynch, Seahawks. Barrett Rudd, Buccaneers. Brandon Marshall, Dolphins. Greg Salas, Rams. Mercedes Lewis, Jaguars. Mohamed Massaquoi, Browns. Jason Snelling, Falcons. Jared Allen, Vikings. Mike Wallace, Steelers. Danny Woodhead, Patriots. Edmund Gates, Dolphins. Shane Vereen, Patriots. Calvin Johnson Jr., Lions. Roscoe Parrish, Bills. Jacoby Jones, Texans. Phillip Rivers, Chargers. Lance Moore, Saints. Patrick Willis, 49ers. Decoy. Inside the numbers, passing yards, Drew Brees. Or actually, I guess, yeah, Drew Brees. Right there, Drew Brees. Derek Locke, rookie free agent. Johnny Knox, Bears. Mike Thomas, Jaguars. Dez Bryant, Cowboys. Robert Meacham, Saints. John Carlson, Seahawks. Brandon Jacobs, Giants. David Garrard, Jaguars. Randall Cobb, Packers. Ryan Grant, Packers. Devin Hester, Bears. David Garrard, Jaguars. So we've gotten 2 hits so far. It's guaranteed to get 2 more. So keep your eye out. Rob Gronkowski, Patriots. Asante Samuel, Eagles. Vince Young, Titans. Ryan Williams, Cardinals. Julio Jones, Falcons. Chad Johnson, Bengals. Matt Castle, Chiefs. Tony Romo, Cowboys. Darren McFadden, Raiders. Garrett Blunt, Buccaneers. Steve Smith, Giants. Ryan Kerrigan, Redskins. Cameron Hayward, Steelers. Joe Flacco, Ravens. Clay Matthews, Packers. John Beeson, Panthers. Danny Amendola, Rams. Brian Hartline, Dolphins. Michael Vick, Eagles. Ricky Stanzi, Chiefs. Marcel Darius, Bills. Jacob Tamme, Colts. Jordan Shipley, Bengals. Early Doucette, the third, Cardinals. Getting down here to our last 6 packs now. Tavares Jackson, Vikings. Troy Polamalu, Steelers. Pat Devlin, rookie free agent autograph. Forgot who that goes to. Matt Schaub, Texans. Colin McCarthy, Titans. Jabbar Gaffney, Broncos. Dallas Clark, Colts. Cedric Benson, Bengals. LaRon Landry, Redskins. Zach Miller, Raiders. Randy Moss, Titans. Dual card of Matt Castle and Dwayne Bowe, Chiefs. Michael LaSure, Lions. Jamal Charles, Chiefs. Roy Williams, Cowboys. Haloti Ngata, Ravens. Sean Green, Jets. Kellen Winslow Jr., Buccaneers. Lee Evans, Bills. Dallas Clark, Colts. DJ Williams, Packers. Charles Woodson, Packers. Jimmy Clausen, Panthers. Dwight Freeney, Colts. Okay, we got Mario Manningham, Giants. Brandon Gibson, Rams. Brandon Marshall, Dolphins. John Baldwin, what team is this? Chiefs. J.J. Watt, Texans. Jermaine Gresham, Bengals. Beanie Wells, Cardinals. Roddy White, Falcons. Yeah, last 2 packs here. Should be getting another hit, so. LaShawn McCoy, Eagles. Sidney Rice, Vikings. Deshaun Jackson, Eagles. And our next hit, Reggie Bush, Saints. So, it's a nice green card. Let's see if it's numbered. Number 200. So, it's a pretty nice card. Gerald McCoy, Buccaneers. Stanley Havili, Eagles. Nate Burleson, Lions. D'Angelo Williams, Panthers. Austin Collie, Colts. Donovan McNabb, Redskins. Michael Huff, Raiders. Nate Washington, Titans. Greg Salas, Rams. Dion Lewis, Eagles. Carson Palmer, Bengals. Dwayne Bowe, Chiefs. Miles Austin, Cowboys. Okay, so let's just go over the hits real quick. We have Pat Devlin, rookie free agent, autograph. Actually, numbered to 1,499. Shane Vereen, autograph patch, Patriots, not numbered. Orion Grant, jersey gold card, number 250. And a Reggie Bush jersey card,